So this video will serve as your tutorial for the monohybrid crossing, which is yung magiging activity nyo bukas. So ito yung example. In flowers, red color is dominant over white color. A heterozygous red flower is crossed with a white flower. So what are the genotypic and phenotypic ratios of their offspring? So una, ilalagay natin yung given, which is, wait lang. Lagay natin yung given, which is yung R is red, and then white. So, okay na yung given. Now, isusunod natin yung pag-cross over or yung pag-cross out ng parents, which is yung, ito yung una. Ito yung unang parent, and then dito yung isa. Okay, ganyan na. So, after that, pwede na tayong mag-Punnett square. Pag Punnett square ng monohybrid is 2 by 2 lang. So, ganyan. Now, yung first parent, dito natin ilalagay. Then, yung second parent, dito sa side. Now, yung ilalagay natin or yung pagdi-distribute natin is naka-base sa tapat-tapat lang. So, eto, ilalagay lang natin siya dito. And then, this one as well. So, then, yung katapat naman nito. And then, this one. Okay, so after that, i-write out na lang natin sila para hindi tayo malito. So, una, eto muna. Ilan yung magkamukhang ganyan? So, dalawa lang, which is this one and then this one. I-cross out nyo sa square para malaman nyo kung nabilang nyo na ba. And then, next is, eto naman. Okay, now, so, ano nga ba yung phenotypic ratio? So, una, genotypic muna, which is this one. So, genotypic ratio, magiging 2. Heterozygous dominant is 2 homozygous recessive. So, ngayon, yung phenotypic ratio naman. Ano nga ba yung kakalabasan nito? Kapag may kasamang dominant, yung dominant lagi masusunod. Kaya, 2 red is 2. Ano kalalabasan pag ganito? Recessive siya, so magiging white. Wala siyang kasamang dominant. So, magiging 2 red is 2 white. So, since kada square yan, ang bilang natin dyan is 25 para maging 100 lahat. 25. O, this one, 25, 25, 25, and then 25. So, ngayon, ano nga ba yung genotypic percentage? So, ilan to again? Dalawa. So, pag dalawa, 50%. 50% is to 50% then na homozygous recessive. Nakukuha ba? So, sana nakukuha nyo. And then, 50% din yung red. And then, 50% white. So, yung final answer natin, kailangan, ano siya, sentence ha. So, dahil di kasya, dito ko na lang lalagay. So, the answer should be, the genotypic, di ko na pala lalagay, mahaba eh. So, kailangan sentence ha, pero dapat isulat to. So, the genotypic and phenotypic ratios of their offspring are, ito, isusulat nyo to. Genotypic ratio, ito, and then, ito sa phenotypic ratio. So, kung meron kayong question, pwede nyong i-chat sa akin or dito na lang sa GC. That's all.